अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Speech for 26 January. Respected teachers and my dear friends, first I would like to say something about myself. My name is Safia Khatun. My father name is Abu Bakr. He is a good farmer. I read in class 6. From Mahzib Quran Tarbiyatul Panat, Shoka Alamganj, Purnia, Bihar. Today is 26 January. This year we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of our country. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India come into force. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution is the largest state constitution in the whole world. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. The Constitution provides us the fundamental right to it. Citizens irrespective of the caste, gender, religion, education and more. Our freedom fighters fought continuously against the British, so we can never forget their dedication to our country. We shall salute them on such an association by remembering them. They have fulfilled their responsibility by giving us freedom and making a constitution so we shall always respect our constitution. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. It teaches us to live in peace and unity. So please then we will make our country the best country in the world. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.